EYPT stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Context: I've gotten thousands of correct predictions over the last 4 years, spent thousands on courses and mentors and documented everything. And now looking at EYPT, I'm still what? I'm going to look at it from a high down perspective. Very open to this demand zone that we're in right now still. And I mentioned demand, which pretty much means that I'm potentially looking for longs, right? That's correct. But what I'm not going to do though is randomly start buying. So ideally would love to see a proper double break shift in order for me to then say, right, this is something that I'm willing to buy. And if I don't see that, then there's just no way that I'll continue to do so. So I will continue to keep you updated. If you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. Goodbye.